If you're looking for the easiest hair extensions to maintain, it's good to know that there's no single method that's low maintenance for everyone. The easiest hair extensions are the ones that suit your hair, your lifestyle, and the amount of maintenance that you're realistically happy to commit to. It's easy to assume that one method is completely hassle-free, but all professional hair extensions come with some level of care. Regular brushing, the right aftercare products, and maintenance appointments are all essential if you want your hair extensions to stay looking their best. That said, some methods may feel easier than others depending on your daily routine. For example, if you wear your hair up most days, exercise regularly, or wash your hair frequently, one extension method may fit more comfortably into your lifestyle than another. If you prefer to leave longer between maintenance appointments, that can also influence which method is the best choice for you. That's why a consultation is so important. An experienced hair extension tech should recommend the best method not only for your hair type, but also on how you live day to day. It's also worth remembering that aftercare has just as much impact as the fitting method itself. Using the professional aftercare that the brand recommends, brushing your extensions correctly, avoiding product buildup around the attachment points, and attending your maintenance appointments on time will often make a much bigger difference than the method itself. Many of the problems that people experience, such as tangling, dryness, or uncomfortable fittings, aren't caused by choosing the wrong extension method. They're often the result of incorrect aftercare or leaving maintenance appointments for too long. So instead of looking for the easiest hair extensions, focus on finding the method that's easiest for you to maintain consistently. That's far more likely to give you beautiful, long-lasting results. So if you're wondering which hair extensions last the longest, which methods are best for beginners, or which aftercare gives the best lifespan, we've answered those questions in our other Roots Q&As. And if there's another question that you'd like us to answer, let us know, because we're always creating straightforward, expert advice to help you to choose the extensions that are genuinely right for you.